Good day student, I am your Megha teacher. Today we will learn grammar new topic kinds of sentences. So first we will recall what is a sentence. What is the mean by sentence? See here, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. What is a sentence? Do you understand? See, wait, I will give you one example here. Blue is sky the. I wrote here 4 words, but that is your understand anyone sense having in that words? No. Now I will write here, see, the sky is blue. The sky is blue. Now we are understand meaning of the sentence. The sky is blue. We are getting sense of that one sentence, so we call that is a sentence. Now see here, always remember that one things. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and end of the sentence give their full stop. See here, there are 4 kinds of sentences. How many kinds of sentences have we? 4 kinds of sentences. One is a assertive. Assertive, we are calling that one declarative also. Assertive and declarative sentence. Second one, imperative sentence. Third one, interrogative sentence. And fourth one, exclamatory sentence. So now we learn firstly assertive sentences. See here, an assertive sentence states or declares something. It can be affirmative or negative. First, what is the affirmative means what? Affirmative means convey the positive idea. They are telling truth. Anyone that one truth. That is a affirmative sentence. Or negative means they convey that is a negative idea. For example, we are, in that time we are using that one word not, no, nor, none, never, like this. It always begins with the subject and ends with a full stop. That one assertive sentences or declarative sentences always begin. They start with the subject and end with a full stop. For example, see here, it was a boring film. It was a boring film. That one declare. That one having statement. So that is a assertive sentence, and here having affirmative because of it was a boring film. They telling that one truth or they convey the idea. See here, it was not a boring film. That one also they declare. That one also having, this one also having statement. So we call that is a assertive sentence in negative. The negative sentence contains, see here given, the negative sentence contains words like no, not, none, nothing, never, etc. So, do you understand what is a assertive sentence? Assertive sentence means declarative sentence declares something. It can be affirmative or negative, and it always with a subject and end with a full stop. Second main sentence type of sentence, imperative sentences. So see here what is a imperative sentences. An imperative sentence makes a request or gives a command or an instruction. Means in these sentences anybody request was, anybody give to command, anybody give to instruction for instruction. It can be affirmative or negative and always end with a full stop. Here also always end with a full stop. For example, see, imperative sentences clear the table immediately. Means what having here? Order. What given here? Order. Sometime they are given advice. For example, improve your handwriting. That is a advice. Or sometime they gave us that one instruction. Shake well before use. Sometime they give us order or command, close the gate, don't make noise, like this type they are using, that is a imperative sentences. See here, be quiet please, affirmative sentence having, but in imperative sentences. Don't hurry, negative sentence having. An imperative sentence does not have a subject. We are seeing here any sentences having any one subject here? No, not showing that one. But see, the subject you is understood. The imperative sentence giving negative information generally begins with don't or do not. For example, don't hurry. That one having negative sentence, but that one, so that is why they are using here do not or don't. Next one, interrogative sentence. So what is an interrogative sentence? See, an interrogative sentence asks a question. What is the interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence asks a question. It can be affirmative or negative, and always ends with a question mark. Means you are asking somebody that one question, immediately put there question mark. For example, who gave you this book? Immediately put there question mark. Are you coming for the picnic? Anybody ask you question. Are you coming for the picnic? Shouldn't we wait? Fourth one, why didn't you take me along? Most interrogative sentences begin with WH words such as who, what, when, where, how, etc. Some interrogative sentences begin with the helper verb such as is, are, does, has, etc. See here, are you coming for the picnic? They are using here helping words. Here having WH family members. Everybody know what is a WH family members, that one? See, look here. Who, what, when, where, how, all are having that one WH family member. We are asking question. That time we are using most of WH family members or WH words. Okay. Next one, sentence, kind of sentence, exclamatory sentences. See, an exclamatory sentence expresses some sudden or strong feeling. It can be affirmative or negative. It always ends with an exclamation mark. See here, exclamation mark. How having that one exclamation mark? So, for example, how having that one of a sudden or strong feeling? See, what a beautiful rainbow. So, we are suddenly, immediately we saw that one rainbow. Immediately we are saying that one sentence, what a beautiful rainbow. So, we are using here end of the sentence exclamation mark. How big this garden is? Both sentences are affirmative having that one. Third one, see, how dare you not tell me the truth? And here fourth one, never have I seen such a terrible sight. Both sentences having negative, but that one having exclamation, immediately having that one strong feelings, or immediately we are saying that one sentences. The subject and verb is in exclamatory sentences either occur at the end of a sentence or an completely left out. So, do you understand that one kinds of sentences? First is assertive, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. I hope do you understand that one sentence kinds of sentences. Thank you.